Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a payment method onto your account on Remitly. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Remitly application on your device, and once you open it up, log into your account using your email address and your password, and you will be taken into the home page. Now from this page, if you wish to add a payment method onto your account, click on Manage at the bottom right corner. From the Manage option, go ahead and click on Payment Methods, and now you will be allowed to add a payment method onto your account. Click on the Add button at the top right corner, and now you can either choose your card or your bank account. Just click on whichever option you wish, and you will be asked to enter your credentials. If you chose bank account, you will be asked to enter your bank servicing branch number, your account number, as well as your name. You will then need to enter your billing address in its entirety and click on the Save button. You will then be asked to log into your online banking account. If you choose card, you will simply be asked to enter your card details, including your card number, expiration date, security code, as well as your name, and also your entire billing address. Finally, after clicking on the Save button, your information will be verified, and once your information has been verified, your payment method will appear within your account. You can now click on the Send button at the home page and then directly use your registered payment method in order to make your transfers. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to add a payment method onto your account on Remitly. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.